Are you a primary school age child? Then come and join us for summer fun in Ely. There will be activities running throughout the summer holidays at the cathedral, at the Stained Glass Museum, Ely Museum, Oliver Cromwell's house. You'll receive an email soon with all the details. There's something for everyone. Travel back in time and explore toys and games and dressing up at Oliver Cromwell's house. Castles and medieval mayhem at Ely Museum. Family weeks filled with curious creatures and terrible tales, and explore the stories of the cathedral. Amazing artists, glass fusing and sensational story writing at the Stained Glass Museum. Pick up a postcard at the first event you attend. Collect 10 stamps over the summer and claim your lucky dip prize. We're looking forward to seeing you all this summer across Ely.